Alright, here we go. This is the rundown of a disaster right here. We've got stuff scattered. Getting ready, there's our spring thunder sign. We're getting ready, me and Drake, to embark on our first turkey trip of the year, and we're going to try to show a little bit of packing involved. My goal is to get everything in this OtterBox duffel. We'll start out with this right here. Put the boots on the bottom. Snake boots, actually. So I can promise if there's anywhere you need a good snake boot, it's South Florida. Targets for Dallas Davidson, because I know he's going to need to try to put some of that in the circle of the 10 ring there to make sure he's good and ready to go. And obviously you can't forget, you can't go turkey hunting without the fire stick. So we're about to get all this stuff, try to get it packed up. We got a brand new turkey vest this year. Still got the tag on it, but I'm actually going to take this, my one from last year, and I've still got everything in it. So I'm going to take it down there with us and probably get it set up when we get down there. I may have to when we get down there, take a hair dryer. These things, I don't know, we may not have to though. Put the head on that rascal. I think, in my opinion, that right there is what gets them killed, is that head. That old skull cap right there is white. They're ready to fight. Put him back on roost for time being. Let him stay in the box. Got coolers, got shotguns, got calls, got head nets, gloves, boots. Trying to think. It's gonna take a couple trips, but I know I'm forgetting something. There's some more shells right there. Always can never have enough shells. Especially when you're hunting with Dallas Davidson, I can promise you. There's another shooting rest right there, bog pod, we'll grab it. We're going, actually in the description here, going to have a link in the description of all the stuff we're bringing, just gear wise, so y'all check that out. We're going to have this whole Chevrolet loaded down, I can promise you that, with stuff. Man, we got everything, I think. There's the first load, I can tell you that. I brought some more shells.
Yeah, Dallas may need that.
I'm telling you. But we're going to try to, our goal here is to keep everybody updated within every couple days while we're in Florida. And hopefully it's a lot of turkeys flopping. So we're headed down in the morning first thing.
About a 9-hour drive.
Yep, about a 9-hour drive. We're going to try to get there in time to scout. So we're leaving early. At least maybe we can get a turkey roosted, and opening day Saturday. So we're ready to rock and roll.
Let's do it.